What's up, guys? We got a special delivery today. Been on a boat for a couple months. You catch my drift. Got a special one for you guys. Let's get into today's video. Alright, so it's been 2 long months, but feast your eyes on this thing. Sheesh! Oh, this thing got some little upgrades on it. Check it out. Woohoo! Alright, so we got this thing unloaded. So let me give you guys my first thoughts. This is the first time me seeing it. So obviously ordering from Japan, sight unseen, is what I get. So obviously paint job, it looks alright. Maybe needs a polish. The car was originally white, I believe. But overall, it looks alright, I guess. I mean, there's already some scuffs probably from the transport, kind of peeling a little bit. It was doing this weird idling thing, but I let it warm up. And obviously it needs a new battery. Obviously to transport it they had to lift it up this much, but it has coilover so we can lower the stand. But overall I'm not mad at it. It looks pretty clean. There's some silencers, we're gonna definitely take those things off. Man, it looks pretty legit. I mean, overall interior's pretty clean. I thought it came with the original seat. I kind of like the original seat on here. I guess we could try to source that out. The engine, obviously this is the main thing right here. Let's see what she got. Woo! 1JZ, got a little upgrades, front mount intercooler. This thing, I don't know what the hell happened, but it's shredded or something hit it, and it's the fan shroud. I don't know what happened here, but definitely needs a new battery. We need to change. The idling went down, which is good, but let's see. Let's get a little throttle. She sounds a little feisty. She needs some gas, so a perfect excuse. Let's go take her for a drive. Right on the interior, we got that, I guess this is a popular steering wheel, because this is the same steering wheel I had on the Stagea, the drifting one like this. It's missing the center, so I don't know, maybe it's here somewhere. But overall, no check engines. Pretty good. It has this upgraded Pioneer double din Apex FC power commander, so she might be a little tuned, a little spicy. So let's go drive her to the gas station. Rear end sounds a little, oh, this thing has like a welded rear end or something, like straight up for drift. But that turbo, that blow off valve is, I don't know if it's even blowing off to make that nice of a sound, but it's responsive. Some sort of welded diff maybe. Something, maybe the coilovers too feel a little bit, you know, tight, but maybe the preload set pretty high. But I don't know if you can hear it. She sounds pretty good. This thing gets up and goes. Alright, so we made it to the gas station. She's getting her first fill of that US gas. Hopefully she likes it. It's probably not the 93 she's used to, but this 91 will definitely feed her appetite. This thing, they run them really low because obviously they ship them overseas. You don't want something to have a lot of gas, a lot of fuel, cause any issues. I don't know what map they have on this or how she's tuned, but definitely has some sort of, these are new tires that they put on this thing. Like literally, I think I can see the sticker. They either go through these tires pretty quick, or they definitely did something with the rear end, because it's not your stock rear end. I think it's either like a welded diff or something on the back. But obviously slammed, obviously should look a lot nicer. But man, this thing looks really good. It looks a little spicy. I like it. I want you guys to drop a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Your first thoughts of this thing. What should I do with it? Is this something we take out to the car shows, we drift with it, we have fun? What do you guys thought? This car, obviously a Chaser, is known for, like, I guess the drifting heritage of this car. And it's souped up. It has front end intercooler, some gritty upgrade, some goodies, kind of like VIP kind of look, I would say. But man, when you get on her, whew, you hear that turbo, that blow off valve. It sounds really good. The motor's healthy, not smoking, which is obviously a good thing. Let's get this thing back to the shop, kind of assess it. Probably need, first things first, the battery. Man, driving it already feels really good. So definitely after driving this thing is fun. It has a little tune on it. She's a little spicy. I like it. One thing, obviously, buying something from Japan, the same with other cars, I don't know what I'm gonna get, what's gonna happen. Like that surprise, you know, in the auction sheet or when I saw it, I don't think it was like that. So I don't know what happened with the fan shroud. Obviously, I didn't know it had a welded diff or has upgraded or something like that on the differential, like more for drifting, or I don't know. Obviously it's jacked up right now because of the transport to get it to clear, so we can adjust it. It has coilovers, so we can adjust all that. Obviously the things that go behind the scenes that you don't know when you buy something like this, you know. And for me, this is one of my bucket list cars to have and own. Definitely the first thing we need to do is take care of that battery, swap that thing out, and kind of assess the body. It's kind of dusty, you don't know how the paint is. Overall it looks okay, so maybe it might buff out. We'll try a spot. Potentially our spec can come to the rescue, and maybe we can do some sort of maybe color correction, polish it, maybe wrap it. I want you guys to drop a comment if you guys think I should keep it. Maybe once I do a little spot, see how it comes out, or if I do wrap it, what color should I wrap it? First things first, it's late, everybody's gone. Tow truck just came in, dropped it off. It was fun driving it, putting some gas in it, and tomorrow fully assess it, change the battery, get the thoughts of the guys. What do they think? Good morning. First things first, let's see if this thing starts. I try to charge the battery. It's a good sign. The alarm's going off. But let's see if she starts. Let's see. Nope. Nope. Time for a battery. Batteries swapped out, got it. The tie down luckily was inside the car, so I put the tie down, got everything bracketed. Let's see if she starts. Woo! There you go. So I'm gonna pull out the rest of the cars that we have back here and park this out front. Oh shit. Oh, why does it pull? This is the first ride in the Chaser. See how it does. Oh fuck! What do you think? Oh shit! This thing has fucking power, dude. This can't be a bone stock 1J. It's gotta have something to it because this thing pulls pretty good. It feels pretty solid too. Like, this feels like about 400 or 500 horsepower. You can tell, like, but this is my first time driving it, but it feels pretty nimble. Yeah. You know? From big four door. It's got all the right sounds, like so the blow valve. Two favorite things about this thing are the wheels. For sure the wheels. This is probably one of my favorite wheels, and the motor setup. This is you got a little spicy with that, but yeah, definitely. Danny, what do you think?
Japanese. some pretty good. Looks sick.
Looks cool.
Let's see how long Sal has this one for.
I don't know.
I don't know.
But you already found a buyer.
It's already on market right now.
Dude, the wheels are sick.
They're a little
It's
spicy
not
setup.
His car, it's your car.
And, they're a little spicy.
Yeah.
I mean, but maybe slap, bring it down.
Dude, these are works.
Alright, this is all
All right, so after we got back from the little test drive, this thing runs really good, but it could look a little bit better. So we went ahead, Kodiak washed this thing, got it all washed up. Its first wash from Japan. And now that we see it under these lights, the paint, I mean, it's pretty, I guess you would say, maybe like orange peely, and being that it's black, it has a lot of little scratches, as you can see. The lights can use a little clear coat, maybe polish. So we're gonna try polish maybe one of these panels and see how it comes out and see if it's worth obviously polishing it out and bringing the paint back. Because to tell you the truth, I don't think they've ever polished it. So we're gonna see how it comes out, and hopefully should look better than we can see. You see all that little orange peel there and stuff. What do you think? You think it's gonna look better? Or?
I think it's gonna look good, yeah.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
We'll bring it back?
For sure.
Alright, alright, let's do it. Oscar, what do you think? Is it coming back or what from that JDM? What you know about that JDM peel though?
That's JDM oranges. You can't get those here in California.
Those are Mandarin.
That's Chinese.
I know that.
That's racist.
That's racist. But what did you cut it down? You cut it down to 3 or what?
2,000, yeah, I came back over with 3.
3?
Yeah.
Oh, that thing's...
Not bad for one pass, dude.
Dude, that looks good. Look at that difference.
That, if I can repaint the bumper, if I can slam it.
A little ceramic.
I think the bumper's the only thing that's really gonna be.
It hurts when you do that. But yeah, man, and they probably didn't do very good prep.
Is this the OEM bumper or is this like?
I think it's OEM.
It just has like a lip.
Yeah.
Okay. I hate when they be doing this on it, man.
Yeah,
Like
custom.
Order some clear ones.
The original ones, huh?
Order just clear ones would look sick because you have like these type of wheels.
Yeah. Kind of go with the whole thing, you know? All right, in order to rock a USDM plate, I ordered my conversion. So basically it goes in the OEM location and then you're able to put a plate on there. So any JDM cars that I've had to put this on. Makes it a lot easier instead of trying to drill into the body. So we got our SOS Customz plate. Let's throw that thing on. Alright guys, so we got this thing polished out. We just did the hood and the fender just to kind of show how everything's going to turn out, but it looks really good. I give it its second wash, but you can already tell from the polish how good the paint's going to look. So we're going to be taking it over there to our spec and get it detailed up, maybe add some sort of graphic or wrap to kind of go with the flow of this car. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think of that. But I'm going to get this thing washed up and for a little cruise. This Toyota Chaser came out so clean. After the polish and detail, I think it's gonna look phenomenal. The front end, like we already polished the front end. The paint, that JDM paint came through. I think we're gonna have enough clear to buff this thing. The one thing I'm probably gonna have to do is the front bumper. But other than that, I think I'm gonna order some stuff. Obviously it's sitting a little too high, so I'm gonna adjust suspension, you know, get it all cleaned up. So we'll be taking it up over to our spec to get fully detailed, polished ceramic coating, and potentially maybe add some sort of like graphic on the side here. What do you guys think? I don't know, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. But this thing is fun. So now that I've had, you know, I started with the R34, got the S15 Spec R, or R Spec, the Stagea Autech, and now this Chaser. Like, this brings me back to those days of, like, obviously if you guys remember, I was on the Netflix show called Hyperdrive, that drifting, it kind of makes it seem like obviously it's a drift car. This is like the ultimate drift car. You know, it's set up to do with everything. So when I was driving it, it kind of gave me that same vibe, which is pretty cool. And but yeah, man, this thing, let me give you the full walk around of this thing. It's looking really good. The lights polished off real nice, that front end. You know, obviously we have to lower it, we'll fix the bumper, but man, this thing looks clean. It looks really clean. Maybe the badges, I took the silencers off, you can hear the exhaust more. Interior is super clean, man. Like, look at that. The only thing I wish is I had a stock seat. So if you guys, anybody knows having the stock seat, DM me, send me a message. I'd rather have the matching seat. Obviously I might have to change that shifter, but it's really clean. So she's ready, man. She's ready to be VIP. Maybe different wheels or setup, but overall it's really good. I'm really happy with it. And as you know, it will be for sale as well. So meanwhile, I'm gonna get it all dolled up for the next buyer, make sure it's really clean and nice. So if you guys are interested in something like this, a Chaser, hey, holla at your boy. I got you. DM me, let me know if you are, or somebody that might be interested. Tag them, let me know. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe for new up-to-date videos. Make sure you follow our spec, the new shop, the new wrap shop, PPF, vinyl wrap, ceramic coating. We do it all there. SOS Customz still here. We can prep the car to get ready for a wrap if need be. So, but here at SOS Customz, we got you covered. Peace.